Welcome to Provocative Thoughts. Today we deep dive into Langchain, a tool that's been making waves in the AI community. With its growing popularity and controversy, it's time to dissect what Langchain is all about, examining its pros, cons, and the debate surrounding its real value in the AI landscape. Langchain, at its core, is an interface designed to enhance how we interact with artificial intelligence systems. It claims to offer streamlined processes, better integration with existing technologies, and an overall improvement in AI efficiency. But beneath these claims, some in the tech world argue that it's merely repackaging existing capabilities in a more sophisticated shell. Let's start with the positives. Proponents of Langchain point out its ability to seamlessly integrate with various AI models, offering a more cohesive and user-friendly experience. It's praised for reducing the technical barriers for entry, allowing more developers to implement complex AI solutions without needing deep expertise in the field. Furthermore, its adaptability across different AI applications is seen as a significant step forward in making AI more accessible and versatile. On the flip side, critics of Langchain highlight several drawbacks. The most significant criticism is that Langchain doesn't introduce any fundamental advancements in AI technology. It's viewed as a fancy wrapper that doesn't add intrinsic value. There are also concerns about the added complexity it brings, potentially causing more confusion and inefficiency in AI development. Diving deeper into the fancy wrapper argument, this viewpoint suggests that Langchain, while enhancing user experience, doesn't offer groundbreaking changes to the AI's core capabilities. It's seen as a convenience tool rather than an innovation, repackaging familiar AI functionalities in a more user-friendly way. This raises questions about its long-term impact on the AI field. Is it truly driving the industry forward, or just making existing technologies more palatable? Langchain does bring tangible benefits in terms of integration and accessibility, which can't be overlooked. However, the concerns about its lack of fundamental innovation and potential over-reliance also hold merit. The truth is, Langchain represents a step towards more user-friendly AI interfaces, but perhaps not the giant leap in AI technology some claim it to be. In conclusion, Langchain stands as a noteworthy development in the AI world, offering both improvements and points of contention. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, tools like Langchain will undoubtedly play a crucial role, but whether they will be revolutionary or merely evolutionary remains to be seen. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Langchain. What do you think about this tool? Is it the future of AI, or just a stepping stone? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and analyses.